1 apples, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples, 5 apples. Yay! We counted 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We found 10 bananas. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 sweet strawberries. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 juicy oranges. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Hooray! We counted 25 fruits today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! 5 yummy watermelon slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We found 5 spiky pineapples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sweet mangoes. Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5 cute cherries counted.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hooray! 5 yummy kiwis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sweet blueberries. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fuzzy peaches counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 juicy pears. Hooray! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sweet papaya slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hooray! 5 yummy lychees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 juicy plums. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sweet apricots counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 big coconuts. Hooray!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 soft figs counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hooray!
5 pretty dragon fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 juicy raspberries. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sweet guavas counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bright persimmons. Hooray!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hooray! 5 sparkly star fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 juicy melon slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sweet dates. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 juicy pomegranate seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 orange tangerines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sweet nectarines. Hooray! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hooray! 5 blue grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 purple elderberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 juicy mulberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red jujubes. Hooray! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hooray! 5 spiky rambutans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 golden quince fruits. We counted all the yummy fruits today. Thank you for counting with us. Goodbye, friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more counting videos. See you next time.